subscribe. I appreciate everybody watching. I wanted to watch it out. Come on. Yeah. No, that ain't right. Yeah, you got to back. Behind you. I want to go in the front. Yeah, like that. I hit the subscribe button. I don't know how the Egyptians did it, but this ain't nowhere as big as the Egyptian stones. I'd imagine. Yeah, some type of maybe the pulleys are us. Hey, grab that level, Cash.
Yeah.
Huh?
Nothing.
You shut out, bro. You crashing out.
Hello? Hey, Dave, my bad, man. Hey, hi,
You
Grace.
crashing out. How much?
Okay,
Hard,
cool.
this is all.
Really good. Pasta? What time is it?
Why bought more money than hard, bro?
Yeah, either if it's open, either go to what's it called? The Moonlight, or go to Pasta 2. Yeah, that's who caters for Venezuela. Pasta 2 is out there on South Park, or you can go to right down the street, AMLS. April's Crush yeah. Look for Amos. Pasta 2, Moonlight Amos.
Just turn the drive on 88 all the way down.
88 on the way straight down.
Past sheets on 88 all the way down. And Walmart Vector Park. Don't mention me, 'cause I think I still owe him like $3,000.
Alright, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. It's okay, we're about to make adjustments right now.
Alright, hold on. I mean, look.
You need to close up or no?
It can.
I need to go to the front a little bit, or we got to pull the string out.
Okay, but we can close in.
Which way?
Close into you, but it's gonna be like a little nice little
Lift
tuck.
up.
Right there. Alright, look. On the joint.
I see the joint. I got to come forward, though.
Alright, straight up pass right here, wherever I got right here. Pick your close up a little more with the straight.
We just close up as much as you need. This time I'm going to pull forward. I'm going to pull
Yeah,
out.
push it forward. Like, do the same time, everything the same time.
On the count of 3. 1, 2.
3.
Nah, too much cash.
Yeah, that should be it, bro. That should be it. Load it.
Nah, it's sticking out.
Where is sticking out? What's sticking out? Yeah, because it ain't square, it ain't none of that. It ain't even come down, it's too high. It's gonna stick out. from down here, the bottom lip looks